Pakistani sports officials and players have lauded China's expertise in hosting major sports events, which has raised their expectations for the 19th Asian Games to be held later this month in China's Hangzhou.
The expectations are very strong. We are very happy to be there, and we are waiting for that event because every time Chinese are giving surprises to other nations, and they are strong. We love to see that moment. So we have all the guys, those are going there, they are ready to face all such kind of activities which they have never seen before.
I'll go for the gold definitely, like every athlete. Winning a medal is a big opportunity in Asian Games, but still I'll say that it's a very great learning perspective and I'll get a great experience and exposure there.
हम भी चाहते हैं कि हम चाइना जाएं, जैसे कि हमारे पहले एथलीट्स गए थे वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग करके और उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, तो इंशाल्लाह हम जाएंगे, अपनी कंट्री का नाम रोशन करेंगे और इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान के लिए रिकॉर्ड के लिए बावूंगी.
They also share their expectations for the host city of Hangzhou.
Being very young, I always heard that China is a very big country and it's a very tech country and so developed and everything. So I've been very excited to see and know about China and the place where there is Hangzhou and where the competition is being held.
It's a developed city and very much they have very much lightings there. And everybody is ready to see that day in the night.
हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं चाइना जाने के लिए. वैसे भी ये हमारा दोस्ती मुल्क है, पाकिस्तान के काफ़ी करीब है, तो जिस तरह से दिन ब दिन डेवलपमेंट चल रही है चाइना में, और जैसा कि सुना है कि हांगझू सिटी जो कि बहुत डेवलपमेंट है टेक्नोलॉजी के हवाले से और ई कॉमर्स जो सारा हब है वहाँ पे इसका.
Hello Hangzhou.
Hello Hangzhou, I am coming.
Hello Hangzhou, we are coming. Get ready.